Okay, hey everybody. Today's video I'm going to show you how to put text on a path. We'll start by using a circle. Use the ellipse. Either hit F7 or click on the ellipse over here on the left, excuse me. Drag out your circle, whatever shape you want it in. Hold the control if you want to keep the circle, I think it's called concentric. Okay. Type in what you need. I'm going to put made in. I'll put made in at the top and USA at the bottom. I'll duplicate that by dragging and right clicking. I hold shift to keep it in line with each other. They don't have to be, but that's just a good start and a good thing to go by. I changed this text right here. Whoops, this should say USA, A. Okay. First of all, you're going to click the top one, made in. Go to text, fit text to path, and you're going to drag it to where you want it on the circle. We're going to put it at the top here. The little red line that you see in the center tells you you're centered. If you move off center, it's going to take it away. Click on it, on a left click, place it in where you want it. Now for the bottom, if you just grab this and do the same, I'll show you it's not going to come out right. It's going to be upside down like that. So I'm going to undo that and show you what the trick is. Select your text on the bottom, hit mirror horizontally, mirror vertically. It's going to be all upside down and going the wrong direction. Now go to text, fit text to path, and then bring it to where you want it, and there you go. Now if you want to, if this is looking, if the letters, sometimes they'll be too close to each other and you want to fix that, you could always double click on the text, or click on the text, hit Control T to bring up the text docker. On the text docker, you'll see here, scroll down past paragraph, and there's this little arrow here. It doesn't have a title, but click on it and you'll see that it shows A, B, and it shows the spacing between them. You just keep clicking right here and you'll see how everything's spreading out further and further. If you want to put in a number, say 100%, it'll really space it out. You can still go in and edit if you need to. If you need to put another space in there, make it a little better. If you want to just edit the text by itself, make sure you just click on the text you want. And if you don't want all to do the same, if you want different spacing, then you can just change it here. Hit enter and notice it changes it. Fit text to path works on any shape. You can do it on anything really. I'll show you. You can grab spiral like that. Text, fit text to path, and notice you can put it on a spiral. Notice it's upside down. If it happens that way, just undo. Just like I said before, mirror it in both directions, and then just go back and do it again. There you go. And you can place it anywhere, on the lines, above the lines. And if you want to, when you're done, you can always click, and you can always just hit the right click and get rid of the shape. So if you don't want the shape there, like especially on this circle, you can just remove it. And there you go. And that's the video for today. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Like, subscribe, and I'll get you some more videos. See you guys.